Hello, I am back again. Today we're gonna make a street lamp. Just a very simple street lamp. So let's start with a cube. We'll bring it up, size it on the z-axis. And then we can bring that right there. Well, let's grab it up a little bit more. There we go. All right. Now let's. Wait, no. Well, let's see. No. Definitely not. Okay. Let's take this, and this. Size it down just a little bit. Perfect. Okay, now that should be good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, now let's color it. So we'll do it a dark gray, and then we'll do the light itself. If I can. Oh my goodness. Sign it with that. And there we go. We have a street lamp. Well, let's go into here. Add that real quick. Join. Sign. And then we'll put some bolts right here. And then we'll call it a day. Oh, no, no, no. Ah, crap. Darn it. Again, I did it when I was tapped into that. Okay. Uh, there we go. And there we go. And we can actually make this like a black, so it looks like a bolt. There we go. So there's our street lamp. All right, all done. Didn't take too long at all. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.